Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have learned that how our skills and talents are developed in the society. Today, let us learn more about society. Society includes men, women, grown ups, old people, and young children. It also includes different groups, institutions, and organizations. A society is formed by a group of people having a common interest and living in the same place. Society provides us with a system and a platform to work together for the betterment of the world we live in. It also provides protection of law and order, economic security, and unity. In our previous class, we have already learnt about man as interdependent on each other to fulfill his needs. Interdependence, interaction between people, interrelations, and sharing forms a part of the society. To satisfy our emotional and physical need, we need to create a permanent system. Without a system, the day to day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. A system is essential for the existence of the society. Let us take an example. Agriculture is an main occupation of our country. It involves the various institutions to purpose all the functions related to agriculture. A system needs to be created includes banks to provide loan to the farmer, factories manufacturing tools and equipments required for farming must be set up. The most important is to set up a market. Farmer can sell the produce at the good price. Such a system makes the life of farmer at a more stable. The society helps the people by providing such opportunities. Today, we have learned that the permanent system is essential for the continuous existence of the society. We have learned that how rules in our society makes man's life more stable and organized. Also learn that all of us are interdependent on each other to fulfill our emotional and physical needs. Let us learn about role of society in the development of man and intelligence. Children, man is considered the most intelligent than all the living thing. Each one has born with unique qualities and capabilities. Man's mental and intellectual development involves the three main areas. First one, the use of language for communication, the ability to think independently, the development of our skills and talents. Man development each of these areas due to the support and encouragement he receives from the society. One of the powerful way in which humans share emotions, experiences and thoughts is through language. A child learns his mother tongue by listening through parents and grandparents. Our first language is the one which we speak at home. Later, we pick up the language by our neighbors too. In Maharashtra, the Marathi, Hindi, English are the common language. We learn this language by interacting the neighbors and friends. Similarly, the school also provide opportunities to learn different language. Children, look at the screen. You can see the word hello is written in 5 Indian languages. Can you identify the language? Good. They are Punjabi, Bengali, Tamil, Gujarati, and Kannada. In a society, we also develop capacity to understand, experience, and emotions and independently. Thoughts and views are different. Let us see the example. Your teacher has given you an essay to write. Children, do you think each one of you will write the same essay? No. One of you will have different essay because each one thoughts will be different. We learn to think independently because the society helps in sharing thoughts by giving us different experiences. We have different ways to solving problems too. Look at the simple Sudoku puzzle on your screen. All of you try to solve it will have the same solution, but each one of us will use different method, won't we? The development of our artistic skills also take place. Example, the scientists have been encouraged by the family and society to find out how new medicines and medicines of various diseases. So here, next one is the mountaineer get her banking of sponsors to add encouraged to go on the adventures of climbing the Everest because they are watched by television and praised by the people. The nature will always be thankful for the exceptional courage and dedication shown by doctors, nurses, policemen, and sanitation workers due to this COVID-19 pandemic. As a citizen of the society, salute the corona warriors, feel encouraged. They carry on the selfless service.